Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click install. Now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Then close this ad and click on this button to start the VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.